Thank you, Your Excellency Governor. Your Excellency, I just want to say just 3 brief things. One, on the issue of the automotive policy, I want to thank my brother Kimani Ichung'wah and the leadership of the National Assembly. That policy did pass, and now we are drafting the bill, and I'm sure Honorable Ichung'wah and the parliamentary leadership are going to work with us. We have got a team that is from everybody who is here, from the industry, from the ministry, from Treasury. We have a working team that is working on the bill, and we hope that it will be presented before Kimani Ichung'wah within the next 3 weeks so that he can do whatever is necessary. As we do that, we have agreed that there is one issue that is not in contention, and that is on the issue of commercial vehicles. The policy, Kenya Standard KES 1515, and the envisaged bill are in agreement that we have capacity locally to be able to assemble commercial vehicles, especially the big trucks. I want to assure you that by the end of the year, we are going to transition into 100% reliance of locally assembled commercial vehicles, especially the truck, so that we can be able to create more jobs for these people. As we do that, we are also looking at other areas. We have a boat here, Your Excellency. I want to thank Simba Motors. They have something called Simba Marine. They have assembled a boat that is going for 450,000 shillings. In normal times, out there, that boat goes for 1.5 million shillings. And we are working with the Cabinet Secretary Mvurya and the State Department for Blue Economy to see how we can be able to integrate that boat into some financing scheme, the same way we are doing for the e-mobility, to ensure that our fishermen are able to access that locally assembled boat. And on the e-mobility, you have made the big announcement. We are looking forward to September, when we will make the biggest rollout of e-mobility in Africa. I want to thank also the Japanese government. They are working with us on something we call end of life. All the old vehicles and usable vehicles to convert them into the circular economy. And also my brother ambassador, he has done something very good for Africa. My time is up, but I'll just take some few minutes. Your Excellency, Japan in October is hosting the G8 summit, and they have invited only one, that is the trade ministers for the G8. They have invited only one country in Africa to make a presentation to the G8. And I will not say he's from which country, but I want to assure you he's in this room right now. So thank you, Mr. Ambassador, for thinking about Kenya, remembering Kenya. Finally, Your Excellency, why are we doing this? We are doing this to create jobs. And ndio maana mimi wakati mwingine na unisamehe na kasirikanga. Hii kazi yote tunafanya, halafu tunakuja kuiharibu kwa vitendo zetu wenyewe. Nimefurahia vile Badi ameongea. Nataka Moha jichopefu, chukua mkono usalimia wananchi. Ndio hata wale watu huyu anasimamia wabunge ambao sio wa maandamano, Badi Twalibu wale wa maandamano, na tuko sawa because pande zote ziko hapa, ziko represented. Na Mheshimiwa Badi Twalibu, hii kazi yote imesema, hii yote kama kungekuwa na maandamano Mombasa, tungekuwa hapa kufanya nini? Tungefanya nini? Tafadhali mimi nakusihi na nasihi ndugu yangu Raila Odinga, tafadhali kwa miaka miwili tu, ulala miaka miwili, tuendelee na kazi, halafu uamke baada ya miaka miwili. Kwa hayo machache, let me now take this opportunity to invite the Prime Cabinet Secretary, my senior, Musalia Mudavadi, to make his remarks.